In this video, I'll explain you about the settings to set up inventory module. Go to Administration, open Purchasing and Warehouse Settings. Let's start explaining the settings one by one. Enable the option Multiple Warehouse to maintain the accounting by several warehouses. This option allows choosing warehouses from the list in all the documents dealing with inventory. It also helps to analyze reports per warehouses. Enable unit of measure per item option to have an opportunity to use different units of measures for one item. An item can have one basic unit and many others. The other will be recalculated based on the base unit automatically. These are displayed in all documents with inventory tabular path, and you may find the list as a link in the items toolbar. Enable packages to have the package set field available for items in the master data, where you can specify the packaging details like the dimensions of an item. It is relevant when the shipping of the item is done in packages, and you may need to specify the size and weight of the packages. Enable the option Use Sets for Sales. Set is an item type which includes various items and components in it. It enables the possibility to sell a set of an item. You may purchase the items individually, and when you will sell a set, system will write off the components automatically from a specified warehouse. It is not necessary to create an assembly document. Enable item characteristics to allow you to add an additional analytic for the accounting inventory on warehouses, for example, by colors and size. If this option is enabled, you can add some additional characteristics to each inventory items. In document forms including inventory operation, invoices, invoice received, inventory transfer, etc., the characteristics column is displayed. Enable the option Batch Tracking option to enable accounting to be done by batches for each inventory item. System will assume that each batch of same items will be considered in a warehouse as a separate. For example, you can use accounting by expiry date for each receipt. Once enabled, the batch column is available in all document forms per line item. Accounting by batches is mandatory for items accepted on commission, processing, and safe custody. Enable the option Serial Number Tracking to allow you to track serial numbers during sales and purchasing operation. For example, to check warranty status of item, each serial number is unique for each item. Enable the option Include Serial Number in Document Print Forms to have the serial number appear in the print forms wherever the serial numbers are added with the item. You can use two modes of serial number management: without account balances and with account balances. In without account balances, you may specify serial numbers if necessary. The system will not control balances of serial number. With account balances, you will need to enable the option Control Stock Balances by Serial Number. In this, serial numbers are required in all documents of item distribution. It means balances control for serial numbers. Add a date from when the system should recognize the serial number control. Enable barcode for items to generate and save item barcodes in the application. It helps to fill item list in the document using barcode scanner. To distinguish warehouse and financial operation by inventory accounting, enable the option Separate Inventory and Financial Documents. Once enabled, you have to enter goods received note and dispatch note each time when inventory is received or written off from a warehouse. Once this option is enabled or on, the shopkeeper and accountant can work in the system separately. Each is responsible for their own part of accounting. The shopkeeper is responsible for the warehouse accounting, and the accountant is responsible for the financial accounting. Enable the option Bin Location. It allows to separate the inventory accounting by structure of storage locations and also quickly determine the location of a particular item on a warehouse. The list of cells is defined for each warehouse separately. Enable stock reservation. This option helps to reserve an item at warehouse in expecting receipt of purchase orders, assembling orders, and production orders. These are the main settings of inventory setup module. Thank you for watching the video.